What's up guys, Mr. Alan C here, and I want to show you some really cool under the bed storage containers. Come with me. Let's make our way under my bed and take a look at these. They both have pull handles, roll wheels underneath, and these are storage containers. So, you know, all that extra stuff you have, it can be clothing, electronics, gadgets, slippers, shoes, whatever. These have you covered. Check these out. It's got a cover here, transparent, keeps the dust out. And when you want to get in there, we have Velcro right here. So you just pop it open, and you have access to all your stuff. I'm keeping my Genesis system in here, keeping all the games safe and dust-proof, and just extra things that I need to store. Got my Badgers hoodie. Go over here. You get a 2-pack of them, so I'm making use of both of them. And they even include a drawstring bag that holds shoes or slippers, one for each one, so you get 2 of them. So I'm using that for my slippers, and so on. A large size 13, but this bag has me covered. Easily be pushed back under the bed on those roll wheels, and these covers keep kitty out, because you know how kitties like boxes. Beep, beep. So we are loving them. Quick look from me, guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.